How to manage followers in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your followers. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, simply tap on this me icon. So here, basically we're in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to find out different options available. Now, on the top, there are different options like friends, following and fans. So basically you can simply tap on fans. So these are the people who follow you. In my case, I only have 3 fans. Now, how do you manage it? So either you can even follow back or even try to message them, or you can simply add them. So simply tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, you can tap on follow back. So here later you can even chat with them and have conversation with them, and this is how you add or manage different followers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.